Hey traders, Brian here from breakingoptions.com, and this is just a simple trick to stop you from doing something stupid that'll cost you money. Today Powell spoke, had the big pull, had the big push. Everyone wants to catch the knife, the falling knife, catch the bottom. Well, guess what? There's a simple thing you can do. Have the 5 EMA, have the 8 EMA, until the 5 crosses the 8, don't go long. Don't try to catch the knife. It would be the same for the upside if you're looking to short. As long as you have a bullish trend, don't go short. As long as you have a bearish trend, don't go long, right? To your eye here, before you saw anything, oh, it's bottoming. Oh, it's bottoming. Oh, we have support. Well, bang, you don't. Oh, support, support. Guess what? You don't. Even this one. Yes, you closed over the 8, but they did not cross. Here's your little bull trap. Back down. Can't tell you what's going to happen here. I can tell you they haven't crossed yet. Let them cross, because what will happen, it'll pull back to that cross, and you'll have time for your entry to try to play the counter trend. It even started all the way back here before the open. You got the cross to the downside. Yes, you would have missed this candle, but this was the big fake out candle. You could have been short this whole time if you really wanted to trade. That would be the trade. 5-8 will save your life, or at least stop you out of taking a lot of losing trades. Have a good one.